5 things British tourists should not do in Europe. Hello travelers. Europe is calling. Yes, it is time to take that long-awaited Europe tour you have been dreaming of. So, book those tickets and pack your bags because there is no time like the present. But wait, before you board that flight, here are things you should not do as a tourist in Europe. Let's do a top 5 list. Mind you, some of these are quite strange indeed. Steal sand. And if you were planning on doing a sand heist and hoping Netflix will pick it up as a series, you are going to be sad about this one. You can't steal sand in Sardinia. As of 2017, it is illegal to take pebbles, shells, and sand. What are the consequences of stealing sand? Well, you will end up paying a fine. How much, you ask? They can be more than a jaw-dropping €3,000. So, if you planned on visiting Sardinia, you know exactly what not to do. Take selfies. Selfie addicts beware. When visiting Milan, do not go sightseeing and take selfies. That's right, selfie sticks, glass bottles, and food trucks are all banned. If you really want to take a picture, then you should ask someone else to do so. These rules are set by the authorities to limit antisocial behavior and littering. Honestly, we could use these rules everywhere. Good for you, Milan, for taking such an initiative. Wear heels to a historic site. Put away those high yet very fabulous heels. Why? Because you cannot wear them to historical sites in Greece. That's right. Certain Greek archaeological sites do not allow people to visit if they are wearing heels. Do not worry, you can still wear them to a fancy dinner at a wonderful restaurant in Greece. Drive without a breathalyzer. Ah yes, Paris, the city of love. Who wouldn't love to drive around the roads of Paris? But you cannot do so without a breathalyzer. Yes, you must carry it with you if you are driving in France. Once upon a time, they used to charge you with an on-the-spot fine of €11, but they no longer do so. Although, it is still very much illegal to drive without a breathalyzer. So, think twice before you on a long drive on the beautiful roads of France. And now for the number 1 spot. Hike in the buff. Back in 2011, a Swiss court declared hiking naked illegal. Now, why was this even necessary? Turns out, a German man walked past a family near the Swiss Alps, and he did not have any clothes on. Poor family just wanted to have a picnic. Instead, they got a whole show. Naked hiking was a popular thing to do before the court ruling. What is even going on in the Swiss Alps? Here's to hoping that you plan to go on a hike with your clothes on. Now, time for some honorary mentions. Feeding pigeons in Venice, Italy. Wearing shoes to someone's house in Poland. Wearing sandals or flip-flops while driving in Spain. Running out of fuel in Autobahn, Germany. Hope your trip to Europe is still as amazing as you hoped for, despite these strange yet reasonable laws. Until next time, happy traveling!